As we know, affirmative prayer is the foundation of Unity's beliefs. I invite you to take a moment to acknowledge both your spoken and unspoken prayer request, holding those in your heart. We have prayer intention slips available to place your prayer request in the prayer box, which is located down here. Once a prayer intention is made and placed in the prayer box, our prayer team will pray over them before they're sent to Silent Unity, where they will be prayed over as well. So at this time, I invite you just to relax, breathe in deeply, settle comfortable into your space, allowing any extraneous thoughts to gently and easily move through your mind, allowing yourself to feel the peace, the calmness, and the coolness of this beautiful space. Be mindful of your breath as you breathe in peace, love, and lightness, while exhaling any dense energies that no longer serve you in a positive, healthy, and balanced way. Allow tension and tightness to be lifted from your physical body, any stressors to be acknowledged and released. Just allowing you to be present in this moment. I invite you to feel your heart energy, allowing the love that is within you and surrounds you to fill you, to expand your being. Any worries that you may have, just allow them to become concerns that you're aware of, trusting that all is well in this moment and every moment. Breathe in deeply once again and exhale audibly while basking in the peace, love, and gratitude that you feel in this moment. Now that you're feeling more centered and balanced, I invite you to envision that beautiful emerald green healing energy surrounding you, filling your heart, filling your body, and recognize the expansion that is occurring within you. Let us ground our energy at this time. Visualize your legs as tree roots growing deep into the earth, and a vine extending upwards, wrapping around your legs, extending upwards into your root chakra, into your sacral chakra, into your solar plexus, and resting in your heart. And pure white light flowing down through your crown, into your third eye, into your throat, and resting in your heart, grounding you to the earth below and to the light above, filling you with unconditional love, awareness, understanding, and wisdom. You are connected to the earth below, to the light above, and to the love that surrounds you and is within you. Know that you are love and you are loved, and so it is.